Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to Spec World. In this video I'm going to compare the iPhone 14 Pro Max versus Asus ROG Phone 7 Ultimate. So let's see which one is the best. Let's compare first things first. Performance is the most important factor for phones. The operating system of 14 Pro Max comes with iOS 16 while the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate comes with Android 13. As a result, both operating systems have their own features and fans. Which OS do you love? Write in the comment below. The chipset of 14 Pro Max is A16 Bionic, which is 4nm, and the chip of ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is 4nm. So both of them are considered equal. The CPU of 14 Pro Max is hexa-core 3.46 GHz, and the CPU of ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is octa-core 3.2 GHz. The winner is 14 Pro Max. The GPU of 14 Pro Max is Apple GPU 5 core graphics, and the GPU of ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is Adreno 740. As a result, both are considered as equal. Both the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate support 5G network. As a result, both are equal. Display is very important for having a better user experience. The screen type of 14 Pro Max is LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED, while the screen of ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is AMOLED. As a result, both are considered equal. The refresh rate of 14 Pro Max is 120 Hz and the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is 165 Hz. The winner is ROG Phone 7 Ultimate. The highest screen brightness of 14 Pro Max is 2000 nits, while the highest brightness of ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is 1500 nits. So the winner is 14 Pro Max. The screen size of 14 Pro Max is 6.7 inches and the screen to body ratio is 88.3%, while the screen size of ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is 6.78 inches and the screen to body ratio is 82.2%. As a result, both are considered equal. The screen resolution of 14 Pro Max is 1290 by 2796 pixels and the resolution of ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is 1080 by 2448 pixels. So the winner is 14 Pro Max. The pixel density of 14 Pro Max is 460 ppi and the pixel density of ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is 395 ppi. The winner is 14 Pro Max. The screen protection of 14 Pro Max is ceramic shield glass and the protection of ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. As a result, both are equal. The memory is very important for storing more files and apps. The 14 Pro Max comes with 128, 256 and 512 GB and 1 TB internal storage options, while the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate comes with 512 GB storage. As a result, 14 Pro Max is the winner. RAM of 14 Pro Max comes with 6 GB option, while the RAM of ROG Phone 7 Ultimate comes with 16 GB option. So the winner is ROG Phone 7 Ultimate. Both the 14 Pro Max and ROG Phone 7 Ultimate do not support external memory. As a result, no points for both phones. Camera is a key factor for choosing a better phone. Camera is key factor for choosing a better phone. The 14 Pro Max has triple camera, which includes 48 megapixel main wide camera, 12 megapixel telephoto camera, and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. While the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate has triple camera, which includes 50 megapixel main wide camera, 15 megapixel ultra wide camera, and 12 megapixel macro camera. So the result is both are equal. The highest video recording quality of 14 Pro Max is 4K at 60 FPS, while the highest video quality of ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is 8K at 24 FPS. The winner is ROG Phone 7 Ultimate. The selfie camera of 14 Pro Max is 12 megapixel, while the selfie camera of ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is 32 megapixel. The winner is ROG Phone 7 Ultimate. The highest front video quality of 14 Pro Max is 4K at 60 FPS, while the front video quality of ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is 1080p at 30 FPS. So the winner is 14 Pro Max. Battery is very important for most smartphone users. The battery capacity of 14 Pro Max is 4323 mAh, while the battery of ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is 6000 mAh. So the winner is ROG Phone 7 Ultimate. The 14 Pro Max supports 27-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging, while the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate supports 65-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging. As a result, the winner is ROG Phone 7 Ultimate. The USB port of 14 Pro Max is Lightning 2.0, while the port of ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is Type-C 3.1. As a result, both are considered equal. Let's see the body design. The body design of 14 Pro Max is 160.7 by 77.6 by 7.9 mm, while the size of ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is 173 by 77 by 10.3 mm. As a result, there are slight differences in dimensions, but in general both are considered as equal. The 14 Pro Max comes with IP68 rating, which is dust and water resistant up to 6 meters for 30 minutes, while the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate comes with IP54 rating, which is splash resistant. As a result, both are considered equal. The sensor of 14 Pro Max is Face ID lock, and the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate comes with under-display fingerprint sensor. As a result, this feature of both phones are equal. Finally, price is a decision-making factor for buyers. So let's see the estimated prices in different markets. As a result, based on current market prices, the iPhone 14 Pro Max is cheaper. You can check the current lowest prices and detailed information of both phones through the links in the description of this video. Thanks for watching till this moment, and now this is the time to announce the final winner. But before announcing the winner, please like, comment and subscribe to the Spec World channel for our upcoming videos. Based on the mentioned factors, the iPhone 14 Pro Max got total 19 points, while the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate got total 18 points. So the winner is clear and the iPhone 14 Pro Max is the winner. See you in the next video. Peace out.